Hi, my name is Kristen. Welcome to this journey through digital product design and 3D printing. Today, we are going to study the chapter, which is Careers in Design and Prototyping. In this chapter, we'll explore different roles like design interns, freelancers, and prototyping engineers. We'll also look at essential tools, where to find jobs, how to build a portfolio, and how to connect with open design communities. These careers are evolving rapidly, and understanding your options early can help shape your future. Slide 2. What is product design? Product design is the creative and technical process of building physical objects for users. As mechanical engineers, we contribute to functionality, usability, and manufacturability. It blends ideation, CAD modeling, testing, and user feedback. The focus is not just on how things look, but also how well they work. Good design solves real-world problems effectively. Slide 3. Product Design Intern. A product design intern assists with early design development, CAD modeling, and basic simulations. Internships help students gain practical experience and understand the industry workflow. You might support tasks like editing sketches, preparing drawings, or collaborating on assemblies. It's a learning-focused role and a great first step into professional product design. Slide 4. CAD CAE Freelancer. As a freelancer, you can offer CAD modeling or CAE simulation services to clients around the world. Projects range from simple 3D modeling to complex engineering analysis. You set your own schedule and pick jobs that match your skill set. This career demands both technical expertise and strong client communication. Many freelancers gradually build a full-time career or consultancy. Slide 5. 3D printing services. Working in or starting a 3D printing service means converting digital designs into physical parts. You'll operate printers, handle slicing software, and manage print settings. Clients might include engineers, startups, or students needing prototypes. Knowledge of materials and printer types, like FDM or SLA, is important. It's a hands-on role with rapid project turnover. Slide 6. Rapid Prototyping Engineer. A rapid prototyping engineer creates quick and functional models for testing. Using tools like 3D printers, CNC machines, and CAD software, you translate ideas into reality. Speed and accuracy are key here. You'll often work closely with design and R&D teams. It's ideal for those who enjoy building, iterating, and problem-solving. Slide 7. Tools to learn. CAD. Start with CAD tools like Fusion 360 or SolidWorks. These are essential for creating and modifying 3D models. Focus on mastering sketches, features like extrude and revolve, and working with assemblies. CAD is the core skill for all design roles. Certifications can improve job prospects and confidence. Slide 8. Tools to learn. CAD tools, such as ANSYS or SimScale, allow you to simulate how a product behaves under stress, heat, or motion. Understanding boundary conditions and interpreting results is important. CAE helps reduce failures and guides design improvements. Even basic simulation knowledge gives you an edge in the job market. Slide 9. Tools to learn. 3D printing software. Slicer tools like Cura or Prusa Slicer convert CAD models into printable layers. Learn about infill, supports, and print orientation. These settings affect print time, strength, and quality. Slicer knowledge is crucial for working with 3D printers. It's the bridge between design and fabrication. Slide 10. Emerging tools and platforms. Stay updated with tools like Onshape, CloudCAD, Blender, organic modeling, and AI-driven design platforms. These modern tools enable faster, more collaborative workflows. Many are browser-based and support teamwork in real time. Exploring new tools helps you adapt to future job roles. The design field is constantly evolving. Slide 11. Job portals. Internships. Platforms like Internshala, LinkedIn, and Let's Intern list design-related internships. Use keywords like mechanical design or product development. Keep your resume simple and highlight key software skills. A personalized cover letter makes a strong impression. Apply consistently and track your applications. Slide 12. Job portals. Freelancing. Freelance sites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr let you offer design services independently. Build a focused profile with examples of your work. Starting with small jobs helps you gain reviews and credibility. As you grow, you can raise your rates and take on bigger projects. Freelancing also builds entrepreneurial skills. Slide 13. Resume and portfolio building. Your resume should list tools, certifications, and projects clearly. A good portfolio shows 3D models, renders, or prototypes you've worked on. Describe the problem, your process, and the final outcome. Use platforms like Behance, or make your own website. Visuals speak louder than words in design careers. Slide 14. Sample portfolio projects. Include 3 to 4 projects, maybe a mechanical linkage, a thermal simulation, or a custom gadget. Use real images or screenshots from CAD tools. Explain what you contributed, what tools you used, and what you learned. A strong portfolio shows both creativity and engineering understanding. Slide 15. Certifications and courses. Online platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and Autodesk Academy offer great beginner and advanced courses. Topics include CAD, 3D printing, product development, and design thinking. Certificates enhance your credibility and fill knowledge gaps. Many are self-paced and affordable. Lifelong learning is key in this field. Slide 16. Competitions and hackathons. Participate in competitions like SMART, India Hackathon, SAE events, or NASA space apps. These experiences improve teamwork and fast problem solving. Even if you don't win, you learn by doing. Judges often give real-world feedback. Plus, it's a great way to meet mentors and future collaborators. Slide 17. Open design communities. Communities like GrabCAD, Thingiverse, and Hackaday share open source projects. You can download designs, learn from others, and even contribute your own. These platforms offer feedback and help you grow. Some let you sell your work too. Being active in such spaces builds visibility and connections. Slide 18. Soft skills in design careers. Along with technical skills, focus on communication, time management, and collaboration. Design work involves feedback, so be open to critique. You may need to explain your design to non-technical people. Listening and adapting are important. Soft skills often make the biggest difference in teamwork and leadership roles. Slide 19. Career growth pathways. From intern to designer, then to lead or manager, the growth path is flexible. Some engineers specialize in niches like medical devices, while others move into startups or R&D. Freelancers can build agencies. Continuous upskilling and curiosity are essential. You grow as you experiment and learn. Slide 20. Final thoughts. Start by mastering the tools, building your portfolio, and applying actively. Don't wait for perfection. Start small and grow. Be curious, consistent, and connected. Your design journey can lead to exciting innovations and global impact.